Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can buy Bitcoin using paper and paxful. So this is actually called P2P trading. P2P trading means peer-to-peer trading, whereby you buy Bitcoin directly from a seller. So there's no any middleman during this transaction. So we're going to be buying Bitcoin using paper on paxful. So we're going to use paxful to find sellers and buy Bitcoin. And we can also use Binance and Bybit to buy Bitcoin using paper because they have P2P trading over there, okay? So let's say you are living in a foreign country and you don't have bank accounts. Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how exactly you can use paper to buy Bitcoin on Binance, paxful, and Bybit. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to create an account on paxful and Bybit, and the links to all these exchanges going to be in the description below as well. And you need to have some funds on your paper wallet so that you're going to transfer these funds to a seller and they're going to give you Bitcoin. So as I'm recording this video, I have some USD in my paper account, okay? So I'm going to use this USD to buy USDT from someone on paxful or Bybit. So right now let's go ahead to where it's written buy crypto right here and check the prices, because I'm trying to find the best price between these two exchanges. Okay, I don't want to pay a lot of money to buy Bitcoin, okay? So let's go ahead to where it's written P2P trading, zero fee, and meaning that we're not gonna pay any fee right there, okay? So right here you can see that this is P2P dashboard, and here are the buyers, and if I go ahead and click sell, it's gonna show me sellers, okay? Here is a currency that you can change right here. So let's say if I want to buy Bitcoin, I can go ahead and click right here buy BTC or ETH or USDC. In this case I'm looking for USDT sellers, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click USDT right here, and right here I have to change my currency. So in this case I'm gonna pay in USD because I'm gonna use paper, okay? So I'm going to change it right there, and right here I have to select payment method. So you can see that they have a bunch of payment methods right here. So let's say you're living in a restricted country and there's no way you can buy Bitcoin. Well, just come to P2P markets right here and you're gonna find the best payment method for you. All right, so let's assume that I don't have bank accounts right now, I only have paper. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead right here and type paper. Okay, so right here you can see that they have paper, and I'm gonna select like this, and here are the sellers, okay? And I'm a buyer, I'm willing to buy USDT using paper, and I'm gonna use Bybit, okay, as a middleman. So right here you can see that it says ineligible because I need to link my phone number. I didn't link my phone number right here, that's why I'm ineligible right here. I have to link my phone number and I'm gonna have access to this seller, okay? So you can see that prices right here are a little bit expensive, so I'm not gonna use Bybit. Therefore let's go ahead to paxful. That's where you're gonna find the lower prices right there, okay? So I have some USD in my paper wallet, and that's what I'm going to use to buy some USDT on paxful. So I'm just gonna go ahead to Google and type right here paxful, okay? Paxful like this, and the link to paxful is gonna be in the description below as well. Don't get scammed. So right now I have to log into my paxful, and if you don't have an account on paxful, go ahead and click the link in the description below and register on paxful, okay? You're simply gonna use your email and phone number to register on paxful. And make sure you verify your account so that you're gonna have a lot of trading opportunities, okay? So right here you are looking at paxful dashboard, and here are my past trades that I've used so far. You can see my history and stuff like that, okay? So right now let's say we want to buy some USDT using paper. So we're just gonna go ahead to where it's written the gift card right here, okay? But the way, if you want to convert, you can also click right here. You can also create your own offer right here, and if you simply want to buy or sell, you can click between these two tabs right here, okay? And you can see that my account is verified right here. I'm on level 3, and my phone number is verified again, and my security is good and all that good stuff. All right, so here are all things that you need to do Make sure you verify your accounts, your phone number is verified as well, so that you're gonna find suitable sellers on paxful. So let's go ahead to West Recent gift card and hub. Right here is gonna take us to another dashboard, and here is where exactly I can be able to select my suitable payment method. All right. So right here you can see that we have a bunch of payments method. We have travel, tax and destinations and all that good stuff. These are gift cards. Okay, so let's say I want to pay with paper and I want to buy USDT. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead to where it says buy right here. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this, it's gonna take me to this tab, and right here they're showing me South African sellers because I'm in South Africa right now. Okay, and you can see their prices right here, you can see the percentage right here, and you can see the price right here. But I'm gonna change everything right now because I'm using USD. Okay, so right here I have to select cryptocurrency that I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Tether right here. Okay, and right here it says 1 USDT is equivalent to 17.34 South African rand. All right, so it depends on where you are. Okay, so let's say if you're living in Nigeria, this price is gonna be in NGN if I'm not mistaken, and if you're living in any other countries, they're gonna show your currency right here. So right now I have to select my payment method. I'm gonna have to change right here, and in this case I want to use paper. So you can see that we have a bunch of payments methods right here. We have bank transfer, online wallet, debit cards, gift cards, digital currencies and stuff like that. And on this channel I made a video about digital currencies, showing you how exactly you can make a lot of money using digital currencies, and I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description below as well, and make sure you watch it if you really want to take this P2P game to another level. So right now I can actually select FNB wallet as well. This is bank transfer, sort of bank transfer here in South Africa, but other than that we have a lot of payment methods. So I'm gonna select paper right now right here. So right here I have to select the amount that I want to spend. Right here it's showing me in euros. Let me change this in USD. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and search right here USD, and it's gonna show me US dollars right here. Okay, I'm not gonna change my election, or I can just leave it like that, there's no problem. Right here, let's say I want, so right here I have to put the amount that I want to spend. I want to spend $50 or $55. Okay, and click find offers. All right, so right here you can see that we have a bunch of offers right here, and our first seller is called TRRR, and he says 0% paper fee, and it takes 1 minute to do this trade. And you can see that it says minimum purchase is $50 and maximum purchase is 534 USD. Okay, and he's selling at a good rate right here. You can see 1.09 right here, good rates compared to bybit, because on bybit the first seller right here says 1.13. okay, so these sellers on bybit are making a lot of money. By the way, you should keep that in mind, because they are selling at higher price, while on paxful these guys are selling at lower price. So you can actually take advantage of this as well. So let's say you're gonna be buying USD or Bitcoin on paxful right here at lower price, and you're gonna be selling this USD or Bitcoin at higher price on bybit as well. You can actually sell this BTC on Binance at higher price simply by using this method I'm showing you in this video. So anyway, in this video I'm only buying, I'm not gonna be selling and all that good stuff. I made a video about all that good stuff, and I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description below as well. So right here we have all these sellers right here. So let's look for a good one. Let's select this one right here. You can see that he has done at least 66 trades, and I think he's legit. So let's go ahead and click buy right here. Okay, and I'm opening a trade right now. Say buy Tether with paper USD, 0% paper fee, and right here it says how much do you want to pay. I said $55, and right here it says I will pay 50 over 55 USD, and I will receive 50 USD. So he's making a profit of 5 USD right now. Okay, so this is how exactly you can do it as well. You can buy some some USDT on bybit, and then come right here and then sell it right here at higher price, and you'll be making profits of at least 5%, 5 to 10%. All right, so in this case, I'm just gonna take this trade because in this video I want to show you how exactly you can buy BTC without bank accounts and without any of those. Okay, so we're only gonna use paper to buy BTC on paxful. All right, so yeah, I agree with this. I'm just gonna go ahead and click buy like this, and you can see that he's online right here, so it's not gonna take time. Okay, so right now I'm opening a trade, and here we have his rules right here. He's saying wait for your trade partner to confirm your payment. Wait, he said your trade partner will release the USDT to you, okay, once he gets our USD from PayPal. So here are his instructions. He's saying, oh, unfortunately this guy asked me to cancel the trade. So
a few moments later,
all right, so he told me that I should come back after 1 hour, and then I contact him again. Now he gave me this paper email, and I'm gonna send 58 USD to this paper. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it like this and go to my paper right here. Okay, so you can see that I have some funds on my paper, and I'm gonna use these funds to buy some USDT on paxful. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click send like this. Okay, and right here you can see details of this trade. All right, they say please make payments of 58 USD to PayPal, and once I make payment I should click this button right here, paid. All right, so right here on the paper, let's search like this. Okay, here it is, and right here we have to type 58, should be like this, 58 USD. Okay, and click continue. All right, so right now it's saying send to a friend, and we should not leave any notes. That's what he said on his instructions. Okay, he said do not put any notes on the paper. That's what he said. So we leave it like this, and boom, send payment. Okay, now right here it says you have sent 58 USD to this email, and I'm just gonna screenshot like this and then send it to him. Okay, now I have to send him the screenshot, and make sure you click this button right here, paid. All right, like this, and send him the screenshots. Then click save. Okay, and upload them, and once he sees this, he's gonna release the tether. You can see right here it says the vendor is now verifying your payment. Once the vendor confirms payment, tether will be sent to your paxful wallet. So he's verifying it. Okay, and boom, right here you can see that he has released tether, and right here it says trade successful. It says TRRR has sent tether to your wallet. Be sure to leave a positive feedback. Okay, so we're just gonna give him a like this. All right, now let's submit this. Trade is done, and if I go ahead to my wallet, I'm gonna see that tether on my wallet, and you can see that my balance right here has decreased. Okay, so this is how simple it is to buy USDT using paper. It's very simple like this. So this is it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel, and do not forget to join my Telegram group right here. This is where you'll find almost everything, my setup, trade ideas. You're gonna meet a lot of traders helping each other and sharing ideas. So the link to my Telegram group is gonna be in the description as well. And if you really want to take your trading game to another level, then I recommend you to go to Heavy Crypto Academy. This is where you're gonna find almost everything about trading and all that good stuff. Okay, if you want to book me one-on-one, you can book me right here. If you want to buy Heavy Crypto Indicator, you can get it right here, still at discount. And this is where you're gonna learn almost everything about trading, cryptocurrency, arbitrage, and all that good stuff. All right, so welcome to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'm signing out. I'll see you into the video. Love and peace, my friends.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take